If you want to make a voiceover whisper in ElevenLabs, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to create a whisper effect using the ElevenLabs text-to-speech generator, and I'll also show you exactly where to place the audio tag so your result sounds natural. This is a super useful trick if you want to add secrecy, suspense, storytelling, or a more dramatic tone to your voiceovers. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AI and software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open ElevenLabs and go to the text-to-speech generator. Once you're inside, the first thing you want to check is the model selection. Make sure the 11v3 model is selected. This matters because 11v3 supports emotion and audio tags, which is what allows you to control the delivery of the voice. If you don't choose the correct model, the whisper effect may not work the way you expect, so this step is really important. Now that the model is set, go down to the text box where you enter your script. This is where the magic happens. To make part of the voiceover whisper, you need to use the whisper audio tag. Type your normal text and then place in square brackets immediately before the part you want the AI to whisper. So for example, you could write, "Hello, can you keep a secret?" The key thing here is that the tag goes directly before the text you want whispered. If you want only a short phrase to be whispered, just put the tag right before that phrase. If you want a longer section whispered, place the tag before the full sentence or paragraph. You can also mix normal speech and whispered speech in the same script, which is great for creating contrast and making certain lines stand out. For example, you might have regular narration, then switch to a whisper for a dramatic moment, and then go back to a normal tone after that. After entering your script, take a moment to review the placement of the tag. A small mistake here can change how the voice sounds, so make sure it's sitting exactly where you want the softer delivery to begin. Once everything looks good, generate the audio and listen to the playback. If the whisper sounds too subtle or too strong, you can always go back and adjust the script slightly by moving the tag or changing the wording around it. This is one of the easiest ways to add emotion and style to your AI voiceovers in ElevenLabs. Whether you're making videos, short-form content, narration or storytelling clips, using the whisper tag can help your audio feel much more immersive and professional. It's a simple technique, but it can make a huge difference in the final result. So to recap, open the ElevenLabs text-to-speech generator, select the 11v3 model, type your text, and place immediately before the part you want whispered. That's it. Once you know where to put the tag, you can create whisper effects in just a few seconds. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.